1. Okay, reteaching 2.4, section 2.4. This is all about us doing our equations in point slope form. So what we need is a single slope, and I'm going to put this up on the top of my workspace here. I need a single point that we're going to call x1, y1, and I need the slope. You guys have been doing great. I don't want to lose you now. So you need m, and you need a single x1, y1 point. Okay. This is point slope form. Point slope form. If you don't label your paper, that's okay. Just want it up there for me. So I'm going to go down in the example, the problem example that's in your stuff. You can use that as an additional example from what you have. But we're going to work with problem number 1. Maybe we'll do like 4 of them. Let's see what happens. We've got 6, -7, and the point 4, -1. So if it has to be in point slope form, the very first thing I need to do is actually calculate what the slope is. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope is found by taking the difference in the y values, -1 minus -7, over the difference in the x values, 4 minus 6. This is going to give me a plus up here, -1 plus 7 is going to give me 6. 4 minus 6 is going to give me -2. The slope of this line is going to be -3. I'll wait right there for a moment. Questions might you have here? This is just difference in y's divided by difference in x's. 8th grade, Algebra 1. We did this like over and over again. Now, once you've got what your slope is, go back and remember in this form, I need my m and I need a pair. Since I labeled that x1, y1, why don't we just use it? So it'll be y minus -7, so that's going to be y plus 7, equals m times x minus 6. And with point slope form, you can stop there. But I could go on and find out what the y-intercept of this is. Does it want me to? I could. It doesn't ask to, but I want to show you. What property is this? So if you had point slope form, y plus 7 equals -3x plus 18. I could even go so far as to find the y-intercept as 11 and finish it and get it down to that slope-intercept form. So you can simplify from point slope form to get to slope-intercept form if need be. You're not asked for that in this particular problem, but it's possible. Let's go to number 3, and we'll just stop off at point slope form. Problem 3 in this group, -1, 3, and 2, 6. Now I'm going to be looking to you guys. Now I'm going to be looking to you. I'll label up points, x1, y1, x2, y2. I need the slope calculation. Who can set up slope for me? Interested in the slope calculation here. M equals difference in y's up top. What should I do? 6 minus 3. Y2 minus y1. What goes in the denominator then? 2 plus 1. 2 minus -1 is going to give me 2 plus 1. 3 over 3. My slope is 1. I usually bring that m back over and circle it at the end because I got to use it. And then same idea as what we were doing in number 1. I got to grab a point and the slope and then put it in that point slope form. Y minus 3 equals m times x minus -1. Actually, this would look better this way. Boy, I think it would even look better if I did go the next step. But I got it in point slope form, and I can get it into slope intercept form pretty quickly too. There's point slope, there's slope intercept. There's point slope, but I can quickly get it into slope intercept form.